Come on.
So they've come out white, black, white, black.
Come on. Ooh,
It looks
good
black.
girl.
Is this one head first?
Yeah.
It looks like it.
That one's not going to stop eating if you can
No,
avoid
that's
it.
that one. Oh, come on,
Oh,
that's a
nearly.
good girl. Come on. Oh, I know it's not nice, is it? Oh.
Why do they have several at once?
Oh.
Women don't. I feel sometimes, not normally. Sometimes a woman has triplets, but not very often, no.
No. Good girl, little. Oh, look at her little face.
She's looking at you,
Looking at me. Oh, my legs kimbo.
Oh, there we go. His head's out. Shall I pull him, Mum?
No, not yet.
You sure?
Yeah.
He's not going to suffocate?
No,
It's
it's
better
okay.
to
It's
come
still
on its
attached.
own.
You know,
No,
Gina's
it's
going to
out,
deliver this
all
when
right,
she
yeah.
wants to.
Oh, yeah.
What do I do then?
Just
Wait a
when
minute,
he's...
see what if it's
She might be able to...
another contraction should do it.
Come on, it's alright. Oh,
Oh,
that's
that's
it. Oh,
it.
he's
Well, she's done that one
out.
herself.
Well done.
Oh.
Wow, that's the grossest thing I've ever seen.
Thank it.
Well, that one's not covered in poo
No, it's
like
attached,
the
that
last one.
Well, you
It's
wouldn't
covered
be
in
able to see
yellow
anyway, it's
stuff.
black.
Oh, no, you could see it was like brown blobbings everywhere.
That little one's going to be the runt, I reckon.
Oh, that one?
Yeah.
Yeah, he's like a bit of a runt, isn't he? This one's a bit of a runt, though. But he's quite fluffy. This one,
Yeah, he's
a little
definitely-
fatty.
he's
This
strong,
one's quite
isn't he?
fat, though, isn't it?
That one.
Yep.